Well, it's just crossed 50% and I'm getting a feeling that maybe it's not doing the right thing. I don't know. I'll have to wait and watch, because even though it has crossed 50%, I still don't see even 10% of the model. What I can see now is kind of bubbles on the top of the build plate, which everybody complains that the resin flows onto that area and it's very difficult to clean that part. So I can already see that happening. Well, a complete disaster. I do not see anything at all on the build plate. The mold has not stuck to it, so I don't know what's gone wrong. Maybe because it is water based or water washable resin, I may have to change the profile settings. So I think I'm going to stop it, because it just unintelligently continues to print. It does not have a feedback loop where it stops printing if it sees issues like this. So you have to intervene and do it manually. I didn't do one thing, my mistake. I didn't do this. Resin settings on elegoo.com. Maybe that is why it has failed. So I'll redo it. So even though the build was a failure, I'm going to clean the resin, because otherwise it may scratch the plate and the screen and cause the next build to fail. And I don't want that to happen. But this time what I did is I increased the seconds for the base build from 35 to 45. So hopefully that should, I can see that something is getting stuck to the build plate. So that is an improvement. This time I printed with more than 300 plus islands. The first time I tried was 98, which was much lesser, but I didn't have patience this time. I just want to give it a try with the change in the settings for the resin. It's finally getting stuck. Oh my god, I have the childlike excitement right now. Oh my god, I can see the structure there. All the support is there. I don't know how good the car is going to be. I don't care. Even if the first print is a failure, I don't care. This is magic to me. I mean, technology. Whoever built this, amazing. Wouldn't have imagined. This is really good. So only changing the bottom exposure time, where the structure gets stuck to the build plate, by changing that, this has had a massive improvement. Something is broken for sure. The print time is 2 hours 20 minutes. The moment of truth. Although I think I know how it is going to be. I will let the excess resin drip for a couple of more minutes. I'm gonna keep trying till I succeed. But for the first time, I think it is okay. 60 to 70% there. Let me perform the other steps of cleaning and washing and curing to see the final result. I don't have distilled water, so I'm going to use tap water itself. Both for the cleaning machine and the curing machine, there is one power plug with 2 cables. So this was the whole base of the support structure. Pretty strong and solid. Okay, so you'll have to long press, and I'll set it for 3 minutes. Basically creates a whirlpool. Exactly at half time, that is 1.5 minutes, it started rotating anti-clockwise. Let me turn it off. That's one heck of an ugly car. So what has happened is the supports have gone inside the car, which have damaged the whole structure. I don't know how I could fix that, but the supports have rammed into the car and destroyed the structure. Long press to start that as well, and I will set the timer for 3 minutes. I'm glad that it has taken some shape and not been a total disaster. I'm going to try again, so keep watching my channel and subscribe if you haven't for such fun and experimental videos where you will learn a lot of stuff with me, and it's not just about motorcycles. Remember, there is Techie right in between the name of the channel. This is Mr. TechyBiker signing off, and I will see you in the next one.